you a morning person? It's 10 a.m. I'm on my way to Jules, omandthecity, to film her morning routine. Hey guys, I'm here with Jules from omandthecity.
Hi.
And I'm in her beautiful house. You might recognize the scene from her Instagram. And we are here to talk about her morning routine.
Am I supposed to look, sorry, here or?
I think I'm looking at, I don't think people can really tell. So
I'll look in the camera.
Yeah, look in the camera. Okay.
So when I wake up, I first just try to take in the fact that it's a new day. So I have a really nice view of the sunrise. I always just sit a few minutes before I touch my phone, before I do anything, and I just look at just watch the sky. And then the second thing I do is reach for my dog. So I usually grab her and give her lots of snuggles and kisses.
Is that true, dog?
Yes. And then I will typically go over to Luna's doggy bed and meditate. Just sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. So I sit in my dog's bed. This is my meditation cushion for now because Luna was trying to eat my other meditation cushion and she just got a new bed and it's actually really comfortable. So this is where I sit. You don't need anything special to meditate. When I'm meditating lately, I've just been breathing in and I say I am focused, and when I breathe out, I say I am calm. So I am focused, I am calm.
What are you excited about the most right now?
I think I'm just really excited to move to Austin. I have lived in New York City for about 6 years. New York is really what helped me figure out who I am as a person because I felt very lost coming here. But I think that I'm ready for change and I'm ready for a different pace. Not that there's anything wrong with like the pace of New York, but I just think my body and just like my brain needs something different. So I'm excited to go to Austin and use that space to really just connect to who I am and to work on personal development and to expand my brand in different ways than I had ever imagined doing. So, but I'm also terrified to leave. It's hard. You're scared of like the unknown, I guess. You told me it's like the fear of missing out on New York, but also the fear of not going to Austin. So I'm just excited and scared.
How did that translate into a blog?
The blog started when I worked in fashion. I've had blogs all my life. Like I had a fashion blog in high school. Then I started another blog called Jules in White, and it was a wedding blog. And that was actually featured in like my state's like newspaper. So way back when the newspaper was a cool place to have your blog featured. So then, you know, I've always been writing. I have done creative writing. I enjoy writing songs, lyrics, poems. It was natural for me to start a wellness blog, but something was different with this blog. It was just different this time. I really felt like I was onto something. I really felt like I was onto my path, and I really just felt in harmony with what I really was passionate about and what I was doing.
So this is our assistant here helping us film the video. Very, very important.
Luna, hey, come here. She's like, I'm not doing anything.
Hilarious. What's the one thing you can't live in the morning to feel great?
I can't not drink my matcha. I always need a hot beverage in the morning, whether it's coffee or matcha. I really want matcha right now. Maybe in a couple months I'll want coffee again, but until then, I'm enjoying my matcha in the morning.
Okay, let's grab our matchas.
Okay. So this is like the highest quality matcha. You wouldn't want to bake with ceremonial grade. I'm heating up my cashew milk. I'm making 2 at a time, which I've never done before, so hopefully the proportions are okay. I mean, it heats up to whatever degree I tell it to heat up to.
Let me get the other one. Love it. So we're setting up the classic Jules shot.
Yeah, I need more wall space because these are growing out so much.
And this is your behind the scenes into it, if you've ever wondered.
Stand here. And that's it. It's so simple.